Hi, my name is Kendall Taman, and I'm going to talk to you about the basic principles of permaculture and the distinction of it from traditional organic gardening. To start out, permaculture is a practice of sustainability to create a permanent culture in agriculture. Its founding fathers are Professor Bill Mollison and his student David Holmgren. At its root, permaculture is using all of your resources to their fullest potential, but you're looking beyond just agricultural practices. It's also integrating into other aspects of your life, such as how you gain your energy and how you get rid of your waste. So the objective is to assess the 12 principles of permaculture and the basic practices and ideologies to determine the difference between permaculture and traditional organic gardening. So from pulling from some of these principles, one of the principles is you're designing a pattern to details. So you're creating this ecosystem and coming up with what you want your big picture of the ecosystem to do, and then pulling in your details from there, keeping in mind that you want to use renewable resources and services. So for organic gardening, you know that you're using natural fertilizers by utilizing the carbon cycle so that waste from plants turns into food for others. But when you're cultivating all of your crops at one time, even though you still have minerals in place, you are losing a lot of your minerals. And when you're shipping off the products, you're also using a lot of energy. But in permaculture, you live in the ecosystem where you're getting your food, so you don't have to ship off that food as far distances. So you're saving some energy, and you're not cultivating all at one time, so you're saving the minerals as well. So in conclusion, while permaculture does use organic garden practices, it goes beyond that and becomes more of a way of life. It's a lifestyle. It's the design of a productive ecosystem, whereas organic gardening is more of a method. Something to note is that permaculture benefits the earth, but is not realistic on a larger scale. Thank you.